Russell has had quite an ascent. Now, it's not anywhere near its prior all-time highs, but it's really just moving quite dramatically, good pace from the bottom there, which is a slight spring type structure in late October up to resistance where we are approaching now. And I think that also speaks to a phenomenon of rotation that's going on.
Yeah, we started talking about this rotation from large caps to small caps.
They have to reallocate and get those positions down to where they're appropriate for their allocation parameters.
And because small caps were grossly undervalued, it's easier to move the price up. Like there are no more sellers. Everybody who wanted to sell sold those, right? So this is just moves with such ease, and there is demand behind them. And look at this movement. This is the best rally by far. But if we go into the construct of the swing, we could see that there was an expansion here, and then the next breakout bar is the contraction. So one might be thinking, okay, well, demand is slowing down. Well, you have 2 points here. First of all, it requires less energy to do so, right? So there should be kind of like an understanding of the equivalent of the volume per movement. And then also look at the next breakout today. This is just reconfirming again that the expansion is happening every time there is some kind of buying that's going in. And that is actually, again, not just bullish, but it re-engages the strength of the uptrend. So we most definitely will break these highs, and most definitely, as Bruce has mentioned multiple times, we're seeing this in the rotation. But how cool that we were able to say that we're going to rotate somewhere here when we saw that strength coming in. That was perfect.